Hello everyone and welcome to Cimquest 2-Minute Tuesdays. In this week's episode, we'll take a look at some advantages of the Rize 3D printer for the life sciences industry. Life sciences, in this case the pharmaceutical and medical device sectors, have various applications in which 3D printing can contribute real value. The needs are very specific and there are a few crucial requirements, including material safety, low water absorption, and high chemical resistance. Materials must also have low leaching and non-contaminating attributes. In clinical applications, all of these requirements hold true, but what's more true is that the printer must be safe to use and parts must be able to be sterilized. For medical devices, parts must also be very strong so that they can be used in functional settings. The Rize 1 provides a safe and secure solution for the life sciences. The patented ADP process creates near isotropic parts with minimal post-processing and zero volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. In this case study, CONMED, a global medical device manufacturer, had the need for parts with great surface quality, strength, and markup. Using Rize, they were able to first create functional prototypes followed by molds for pouring silicone and low-temperature plastic. After realizing the possibilities, they expanded their use of the Rize to create end-use replacement parts such as handles, other parts of assemblies, and tooling. An added benefit of the Rize is in its ability of jetting marking inks, which allows CONMED to efficiently trace parts in their inventory. Aside from medical devices, other areas where the combination of the ADP process and a material well suited for the task includes pharmaceutical, preclinical, and clinical applications. While Rize 1 is not yet USP Class 6 certified, all of its components are, which means it should be soon and supports the claims about material safety. As you can see, the Rize 1 is a safe and environmentally friendly solution that can enhance productivity in the medical field and ultimately cut costs. Well, that's it for today's episode of 2-Minute Tuesdays. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.